By the end of this video, you would be able to recover any hacked WhatsApp account. I'm going to be walking you guys through a complete guide on how to recover any hacked WhatsApp account. The number one thing you need to understand is anytime anyone is being hacked, you would be logged out simultaneously from your WhatsApp account. One thing that is actually a common mistake a whole lot of people around the globe do make is they always delete the WhatsApp application. Now, once you do this, you're giving more time for the hacker to set up anything he or she wants to set up on your account, making the recovery process a whole lot harder. Now, in case you've deleted the WhatsApp account, it doesn't mean you wouldn't still be able to recover your account, and that's why I'm here to show you guys all you need to understand. If you deleted the WhatsApp application, kindly download and install it back and then continue with this process. What you want to do next is to insert your mobile number inside the WhatsApp application. The next step is to request for a 6 verification code. Once you actually do this, WhatsApp can either do two things. Either they send you the 6-digit code for you to try to log back in, or you don't get a code and WhatsApp give you some other options. Now, looking at the very first best scenario, WhatsApp sending you the 6-digit code. If WhatsApp actually sends this easily for you, all you simply have to do is to insert the 6 verification code. Good scenario, you're logged back in. If this is actually your scenario, all you have to do is to go to settings, go to security, and finally turn on your 2-step verification. Once you're able to do this, then you are good. But in case you didn't get your 6 verification code, you would be seeing inside your WhatsApp application resend code, and beneath it you're going to see resend code via SMS or resend code via a call. Now, this is one thing you also need to avoid. Do not click on the resend code at the top of the screen. Once you actually do this, the code is going to be sent back inside your WhatsApp application, and obviously the hacker is going to be seeing this code, but the hacker is obviously not going to say any single thing. What you want to do if this is your scenario is you need to select one of the options beneath. Either you're selecting resend code via a call or resend code via SMS. Once you actually go for these options, it's going to be easier for you to recover your hacked WhatsApp account. But in case you actually go for the resend code option, which is basically inside a green box, after some time WhatsApp is going to tell you you've actually requested for a code, wait for several minutes or wait for hours, or in fact wait for up to days. This actually occurs when you went for the option of the resend code. But in case you go for the lower options of resend via SMS or resend via a call, then there's high probability of you recovering your WhatsApp account almost immediately. But in case you actually went for the option of resend code and you start getting messages from WhatsApp that you need to wait for several minutes, several hours, and sometimes up to days, then you simply have to wait for the time to elapse. And once the time elapses, then you want to go for the next options, which is basically beneath, which is the option for requesting via SMS or request via a call. Now, after you've actually passed this stage and you've actually gotten your 6-digit code finally, and you insert it, best case scenario is you would be logged back inside your WhatsApp account. And once this happens, all you simply have to do is to go to settings, go to security, and enable your 2-step verification code. But then the next case scenario is if after you insert the 6-digit code and now you're being asked to insert a 2-step verification code, and you know fully well that before you got hacked you did not insert or enable any 2-step verification. This simply means that a hacker was smart enough to enable a 2-step verification. And now if this is what you're seeing on your WhatsApp, then you need to move to the next recovery process, which is by you sending a mail to support@whatsapp.com. The main idea of you sending this mail to WhatsApp is for the purpose of resetting your WhatsApp account. Once WhatsApp is able to reset your account, then the 2-step verification itself is going to be cleared out, and then you will be able to enter your account with just the 6-digit code. Now, how do you send this mail properly to support@whatsapp.com? You need to understand that the idea of you sending this code, you need to have clarity in terms of your mail. You also need to show ownership, that yes, you are indeed the owner of this account. Now, for example, all you have to do is to go to either your Google Mail or whatever mail platform you use and compose and add support@whatsapp.com. So you want to compose a mail to support@whatsapp.com, and then the subject of this mail should be account compromised. Now, in the body of the mail, you want to ensure you're doing or showing two major things. The first one is ownership of the account, and the second is you want to ensure your mail is very clear and straight to the point. So now, for you to show ownership of this account, you want to start by saying, "Dear WhatsApp support, comma," and then you want to say, "I am the owner of this account." Now, you're going to insert your number in an international format. For example, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to say I am the owner of +234 and then 80, whatever your number is. And then you move to the next stage of the body of the mail by saying, "I did not authorize the change of this device," or "I did not authorize the swapping of this device to this device. Please help me reset my WhatsApp account." And then thanks and best regards. Now, for you to actually send this mail, you want to ensure that your mail words does not exceed 150, okay, as this is actually the best type of mail you can send to support@whatsapp.com. Now, once you finally send this mail, the best case scenario is about 24 hours for your account to be reset. And then the worst case scenario is about 3 to 7 days for WhatsApp to review your mail properly and then help reset your hacked WhatsApp account. Now, how exactly do you know that your account has been properly reset by WhatsApp? All you simply have to do is to keep on trying to log back in, and then the next time you see that you would not be asked for a two-step verification shows that yes, WhatsApp has helped you reset your account. Now, all you simply have to do after logging back in successfully is to head directly to settings, to security, and finally to two-step verification. Now, you want to ensure you're enabling two-step verification, and do not forget to add an email address as well to ensure that your account is properly protected. And this is actually the means for you to properly recover any hacked WhatsApp account at all. And in case you're still struggling to recover your account, feel free to reach out to me in the program I just created. I've pinned it down in the comment section. It's a one-by-one program where we can talk directly and I can help you recover your hacked WhatsApp account. And also the program entails a whole lot of method and a whole lot of means for you to be able to recover any type of social media account: WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Gmail, and several other social platforms. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a whole lot and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and feel free to share this video with your friends and family members. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.